American channel NDC by no ya now. Tribalism. Enya hini tribalism. Edi Ghana for team NDC by tribalism.
Now I saw this and I was like, wow. Some of these things and my mommy also so as on mine because tribalism a bit me affecting seriously.
Entinche bia anambro video maka kire wo se ganfo no set agenda bi a omo kirem se Kotoka International Airport Akwaaba na wo honom no yense se Akwaaba no ko twi word yense sa no ne emfa Oobakɛ emehye ho ana fezi Kwame Nkrumah Park signage no modi aban Akwaaba na wo so yenyi Akwaaba no free so ne emfa Oobakɛ emehye ho na busia that encommon na omo astart no social media mountains as sparking conversations as an phone ebu ofupa just now or tiny dawson or tiny dawson do aha Penyah block media mess was say need mo obe like if video no that one subscribe button so na click notification and latest updates na be chere wa adwen dia mame e wo comment as much as so baso no ashi no from so enya bi ashe. It is this how the whole story started. It started this week after say picture be pop up on the internet as a free Kwame Nkrumah Park almost a signage and I say oh my foforo and omo be bo honum a signage no say no na ye Ghana Tourism Authority for and this that signage in e baye na eno ba na say actually na wo soro no you were welcome aye English word you were wisdom aye every word and ye wo Akwaaba aye twi word enum ana ganfanga so dey be that's a discrimination no e do so no do what I say bibia na ye free mu bibia na ye free mu Greater Accra region emu ana Kwame Nkrumah Park ewo I say a horse soon at Kotoka International Airport and that add instead of using the tree word Akwaaba no add use Oobakɛ because Gamma Accra actually I'm at say oh free baby eba Accra I had instead of saying welcome or instead of saying Akwaaba near kind of Oobakɛ.
Accra, the heartbeat of the nation. We say Oobakɛ. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
Etika use Oobakɛ instead of welcome or Akwaaba or whatever word that we want to use. Emma later you will say another picture be about people. You say oh man gasa oh man compare editors. Ama oh my sign the uniform from edit akwakobo ho. Oh my sign the uniform from akwakobo ho no. Ade Ghana Tourism Authority for aye no. Oh man gasa you mo de akwakobo ho no. Ana face Kotoka International Airport Akwaaba de ho no no. Omo aye design for aye say omo de kire Ghana for say e was say ana ekọ because e ho eye gnasa so it use Oobakɛ instead of the Akwaaba na eye twi word no. Emma adu e ba ye no. Media so as for conversations na ebi mu chese there be this is tribalism. But Gafon just oh kwante for munya dem chire no. This has nothing to do with tribalism.
I think it almost changing your welcome post at important place in Accra from Akwaaba and ways on to say Oobakɛ or Oobakɛ. I think that's the Ghana word for Akwaaba. And me who say Asantes 2x4 be a kasana a hatred then please mamon ko mo bia medio biatem and mamon ko emma obia embedio biatem because if there's anything anyone has learned from you guys it is how you protect yours and project yours. Who protect and who project and obi dem an on the same thing. And he found the wokumase odru yatro a Oobakɛ wo say akankasa na na wo baby and I'm over akankasa nya Asante for there akankasa belongs to that can Akwaaba nya Asante kasa. I don't know what me na Asante for na we mpe hwan ansem na then it must stop. Whatever they are doing is in the right direction. I can for say Oobakɛ obi enhwe Oobakɛ obi anso mamo and mom will be ambidi at them. I have bread somate ya bre
And as my lady we can was okay ho eye ga asase so me ne ya adwene eye ga etene de wo ga no yemfa maga ko Christ say de wo ka yemfa maga nti de wo ga no yemfa maga okay yati ase et na me pese lady we question say e kro ni din Accra no eye akanfo no ena ma e kro ni din Accra anase enkran as such as a multitude of soldiers and as ants. Yen yama a crony din crona motimuno, yama mudin enkran. And son of Bonifita, we don't so there be there. Yes, I be dominated near and can ye the yam penkran, yam fat enkanifo ne ma edi no Accra aye say eye akanfo no e di nkan de edi ne ba ye aye enkan ansa na later emrofo no e de Accra eba. And I want to ask a question, say mo say the word Akwaaba no nko a wo honom na e ha mo boro so say na mu asanefo ntime dominate wo honom na bibia na asanefo na mu pese bu Akwaaba di fro no de a ene na mu kuro di no mu be yi kuro ni mo be se kuro di ni e be de kuro no so no e ya asanefo ya kanfo ye na de ma mo e ti be se kuro ni di ni anaza me maintain kuro no ai aso maintain. And it was so disturbing for me to hear from the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Linda Oklu, to say, hey, even ways or not, everywhere in the crown. Ye ni na enka Oobakɛ na gawe because adena ewo gan ana adea ewo gan fon ye mfama gan tie ni welcome no ni Akwaaba any ways on nyina mfiri na ye maintain Oobakɛ no nko a.
Tax to the mayor, and so find out from the mayor he is handling those things. When I received, no, you said he didn't want to talk. No, he should be able to update you because that was about a week ago when we engaged. I taxed him to a specific, they should agree on whatever name they want to use there, and so they work on it. So he should be able to update you the happenings there.
And you think it's a genuine concern?
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that needs to be addressed, and so I'll support them. Why not?
And this coming from nobody other than a minister, regional minister, a minister who knows better. This is coming from a minister. Come on. What is this? What is this? Like, what is this? What is our dignity as a country? Like, what do you want as Ghanaian? Gafono, mopede. Upon all this, they still blame tribalism on the Asante people. Say, oh, yeah, as I'm from more tribalistic, more tribalism. As Robert Kumasia, that you are cracked town, Kumasi. What I say? Yena, you see a pet tribalism. Yeah, wo. A cracked town, Kumasi. You were Taddy, Kumasi. You were Anloga, that is Anwanaga Junction. You were Anloga Junction, Kumasi. A hinfa. Town bay ni bili Kumasi. A hin. Ye can't Ghana in our book. Kumasi, ye can't Ghana in our book. Kumasi is Ghana. And it's so interesting because Accra no crowd mu kro din ye ne be ma mu kro din ye ne be ma mu kro din na etim without Asantes nothing can move in this country. Montias here understand this fact because we kro witim kro no so obi na fi the tribe mu be ma mu kro din a why do you stand in a challenge with that person? Why? Like how because a din kind of wu kro no Niba kora na go into competition no say won pen bi no or na ma edi kro di ni ma wo you couldn't even name your town or no na be ma wo kro di ni enti what do you be come on afọ media say busia amafo chirem say ade we dey e pure hatred e all time hunu pa na amafo a time asanefo and abeye clear under NDC.
I mean can cham NDC ba no ya na tribalism enya hini tribalism the Ghana for team NDC buy tribalism tribal bigot party mo buy edi aye da Kotoka Airport so udru anu ya tire nim Akwaaba gafo the ga adangwes mo se mo pese mo sesa no eye no Oobakɛ so Oobakɛ o se de mo pese mo tire no eno fan sache bia ma na mom e de tribalism de ntitimu ni papa mu e na beba Ghana say o energy bi ne se pese tribalism mo me mfa enkran for the ga adangwe Monto monsanfan frɛ akanfo no mmabo na mompam ibofo no famfiri mu land na ibofo no egu nkan asase no so ɛsɛ mu nnwuma agye mu nnwuma ayɛ esisi palace the galan ɛno ɛna mo betu ayamade fasodie bi abrɛ mo ɛnyɛ Akwaaba na egu no sɛ obi say an right Akwaaba in Kumasi not Accra Akwaaba no ɛnyɛ Asante word o ɛnyɛ twi word o ɛyɛ akan akankasa no consists of infantefo asantefo ebrofo achemfo kwafo ahantafoɔ enzemafoɔ enzemafoɔ Baure in Cote d'Ivoire, yes, Anyi in Cote d'Ivoire, Intina Cote d'Ivoire, you or say crum, you Kojo crum, you or say crum, Kofi crum near that you Cote d'Ivoire. Because I can cast a travel a door soon, baby. Oko Canada, your street video, your trail Sankofa Street or Canada. Yes, South Street, you know. I can cast on your jogging. So Canadians, let me cast a castle in Canada for Cassentino, Mupa Flo, Aden and Cranford, I say, the guy Adangway. Mutuana mabba mi DM and one baby video say Akwaaba no mu pefri na se mo twere Oobakɛ na emfa mpunto bi amre Ghana emma mo culture no so enko anim na se bibisa mabba mi DM anase mabba mi inbox na onyae so onyae totomi onyae wanwan na onyae wanwan mo fa sa energy no pam Nigeria fo no mo begu nkranfo sa ase no so because akanfo no mo dress Ghana ha omo dress na ewiase no so no yese edom so anisa de so ntakrache. So person will promote to culture. Yen say will be culture and fan promote to you would you. Told ye. So person will culture and I say my identity no. Eye word why you who we are here. Ultimate tendency will be image. Say because of the Akwaaba. I don't want to say Akwaaba ya Asante focus nya Asante fon kasa akankasa. Ade na mo ta Asante fon sa. Munya tribalism no. And this is their tribalism abagana ma Mosusum, a de gafo, yen nipa baako, de ga adangwe, yen Ghana for yen nipa baako. Women fighting against corruption, women fighting a man for no for Buntu, Emra Oman, no fa, and Numa, Emra Omanum, and yen then trying to tribalism say, where ya Akwaaba intino, Upa Mofanko to Prempe the second one, why Mofanko Kumasi. Now Accra na can Accra no a capital city of Ghana. Now Accra so and yet gafo. Munkwa na mo onu mu se ga mo numbers ni kwampo wo no muswa de ga adangwe amomo Accra no number no eswa wo pesa mo sell mo ho a Accra honum na radio station news ni ade no mo me kan mo kan ga kasa efan chenkura no mo mo sell mo because Oobakɛ na radio station bebre wa Accra Asante anase akankasa na no mo ni broadcast o news me bo am ka se me bo akankasa na mo kan edu kasa wo paper obi Akwaaba egu Kotoka Airport anim na kotre Oobakɛ ase Oobakɛ egu hono ma me hu se wo pese wo de tribalism ntitimu ntokwasem na mre ba Ghana but Ghana na eduako ye peace teshi for a palace teshi for ahimfie ni kole na ahimfie ya twere ni mu man Penyah ada na no de ka mo ko paper na so ye mo ahimfie o e ho teshi ya twere ni mu man Penyah. Ese akankasa eso hene no num se nyina nipa baako ye Ghana for na akankasa no so na eye worldwide ye kano Ghana hanu babia akankasa no eso che kasa bia wo Ghana enu ntino me twa ni mu man Penyah nyehwe me so metim dia fa akanfo so ma promote me culture munya ni bre no munya na tetwitwa no na munya atemdie no na mo fasa energy ni ko politicians no so na mo develop Ghana na mo pam Igbo fon eno na de mpuntu ede ebe bana dega adangwe mo culture no mo hye mo kina se de akanfo no and to be precise asantefo no ahye mo culture kina de bi mo language o mo kano sa na osam mo yemo de we o me me gina he me ko university me ko ye akan at the politics and I'm here university because I love my culture, I love my tribe, yes. Many Jimmy tribe na me wom no. Many ba just say de bia me promote me there. Ohini Jan Sports Stadium na Accra Sports na da Accra Stadium so. Ohini Jan, me ya me ya Ohini Jan free so e me ba ba no Accra Sports Stadium. Eno, e dey fa so na de ba mo course and you promote you. Eso ne Babanyara Sports Stadium. Babanyara enya Asante di onya kan di o eso ene na da Sports Stadium no so enso Asante for say na o mu celebrate o mu culture Asante for promote o mu culture Asante for promote o mu kasa Asante for promote o mu bibia enso still na Babanyara na da so na aye na Sports Stadium na obubu da so na aye dey oba Kumasi a oba hana na be hu Mosinzongo ona oba hu Akwatia line ona oba hu Awunagejashi ona oba hu Fafajanshi ona oba hu Atenga line. As so makasi yesano. Yensano, O promote de bi o promote o ye bibi se the culture no untimi me kata ne de so enti de ga adanwe muso mo nya bibi se mo de no mba de promote na ga adanwe no munsuan wo university munsuan wo de wo university na nkofo nkyere wo ade e wo the basic school na nkofo nya wo advert na muso mo ba internet and social media to be precise mon ka de ga adanwe language mon ka mo dialect ro ga adanwe no mon ka wa so se na mo ba internet so am ka english atwi na mo ka na se mo ka kan kasa eno ntimi promote culture me me jira me Asantini enti na me kan kasa me ko kan brofo do me Asantini me promote me de mu ko social media mon kan de ga adanwe language mun kan no anu na betuma promote culture anu na e no maintenance culture mu maintain mu culture no mu ye maintenance no man kitinkiti wo no ma ye ba wo ko social media na wo kan brofo we gadanwe wo ko wo kan brofo wo kan brofo so atwi ayi Asante anase akankasa na obeka. Now, what's the essence of self Tennessee or be media about your Akwaaba? Promote your own. You too can promote your own. To Mr. Munyan and Chalamunyan to Kwana at Dieno, Monte to Sumai, yes, Remo.
Now I saw this and I was like, wow. Some of these things, and my mommy also so as on mine because tribalism a bit me affecting seriously. My question is, are we going to change everything? If Osians is from Akwaaba, are you also going to change all the names? ABI Van say Kwame Nkrumah, because Kwame Nkrumah is not a gun. But your baby a Kwame Nkrumah circle now. Are you going to change it to a gun name? Are you also going to change your friend is saying Kotoka International Airport because Kotoka is not a gun? Are we going to change it? All names a war Accra, a war land, no. Are we going to change it? Yes, sir. You can say other tribes also son maybe what because look, Ghana belongs to us. Before your tribe, before everything, no. Ghana first. Before your political party, Ghana first. I always say tribalism is not the problem of this country. It's politics. Everything is politics. Obibenya Asantenia because of MPP. Obibe come be born here for NDC because I before one because of NDC. Obibe come be a fan crime for one is because say that's all NDC and MPP. Politics essay or mine more than tribalism. The problem is not the tribes. The problem is our political affiliations. And nothing among Kofobi airtime be more airtime tribes be. I will repeat this over and over again. Let's stop this before a bedroom rebia. We cannot ever stop it.
Mobeya men kofu enyaye. Because the make us a kofu enyaye. The dina masi son from Akwaaba to Oobakɛ. The dina day Oobakɛ. Me po me hunu bo and cranny be wa one modin chreme why Oobakɛ. Or Oobakɛ se JD and bar bemun with sas sardine. Yenny mosi as a sardine dada. Mosi a buy and for policy be a policy na ya no my and near best sardine. Yes, I am no more to omu windumu. Omu o kono konsa o yanomo de and konsa. Me de me bo mudin. Mebo omudi PP for no enko konsan omutite omu window mu omaba o aban we de DC for ne de omu besesa din omu fa policy bia ma policy enkofo aye na Mahama besesa no ma hwe omutite omu window mu no matwetwe omu kon ona omu bebi omu hunim ni omu ni yonto no omu pe bibia ti mo be no makase ye ne yesesa de for Akwaaba to Oobakɛ enkran for yesremo oh
Akwaaba at the Kotoka International Airport, situated in Accra, doesn't mean the airport belongs to the Asantes. The airport belongs to Ghana, and Akwaaba is also a Ghanaian word. To the leaders, what Ghana needs right now is development and not tribalism. And to the youth, fight for development and not tribalism, because it is your future that is at stake. Thank you.
Abetodwa se Akwaaba ya twere egu Kotoka International Airport. Ini anom nkranfo se ebeya ka Minister of Tourism ensesa no enye no Oobakɛ eye wonum krom kasa. Na ebeto dwa no in fact a create controversies ewo internet ne so.
So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
The nkrofo e kan say Kotoka International Airport no eye Ghana nyina dia. Enna Akwaaba eye akan kasa no Ghana eno ne kasa ye kan pa. Enti enya hwe say ye de ato Kotoka International Airport no so. Empo Cote d'Ivoire akanfo ho enti wo mo airport okra no Akwaaba ene wo ho. And besides Akwaaba no ye use so many years ama brofo a ebako nyina no kire se Akwaaba no ena ato mutrim. Ti sesia na ye besesa no pa no edien ena ebeche se ebeye de ade. Ye nuanom nkranfo so kire mu a ebra so se omo promote ga kasa no. Esan se wontimi ensi enkran asase so na ye mfa Akwaaba ena kire se ye de ema wo welcome debi. Se ye de nkran kasa. Na senka airport ni kosi Kumasi a ka omo nya sure se ye de e kan se Oobakɛ ena ebeto so. Ekwan bi so no omo ye right. Ena wonum so a eka se akan kasa no ena Ghana fo bebre na eka. Ana se che se enya se Ghana fo bebre mpo a ene radio TV o che se obi a o kan krom kasa bia no esan eka akan kasa no nkrofo kakra bi ena ntimi ka akan kasa no. Obi ye nkrani kura na otimi jai eka akan kasa. Enti enya hwe wonum so right. Me hu ni se Minister of Tourism ye woniema bebre ye wo Ghana chensa niema we si we ebe create tribal bibi ewo my Ghana mu menka ne sa na de mesere ene ye nuanom asantefo entokwa we se nyam ntokwa ya akanfo nyina entokwa se akan group aka no infantefo bono akuapem ene wona aka ne nyina entimi enjina enkasa ye nuanom asantefo muntwa so because o kind comment sections na se gafo no e defend ya omo throw shots no ekokumase ene towards Asantes nanso Akwaaba no ya kan kasa me kai se emere bi a Canada wasesa location bi a Canada e de aba Sankofa Square nanse ya na Canada fo no kura empene from 2019 and a committee o Canada wa mo try debate ye chese twi kasa na sa kan kasa ye frɛ no Sankofa eno no mo de ato sa square ho a chese ye bia e wo Canada Toronto eba ye no anka a big win ema Ghana because na Ghanaian language ni compete with other languages nanso media for am promote Asante for kakra bia we internet ne so ena start so mo promote afa kura de nkrofo se ho enya Asante kasa e ya kan ye hwe mo kura Sankofa no esemfante chen Asante it are the papa badia enya Asante ya kan na emom yesesa kasa bi dia then mama akan enkoko hu ntokwa na ye nuanom Asante for more rest because uko can say comment section they are not throwing shades to bono they are not throwing shades to akuapem wo mo to shades ne manfante Asante nkwa no mo to shades eya de papa nso dia kebeka senya Asante Akwaaba no eya kan mo nyina mo kasa then and also firi wa me problem ne say adentina sa we nyina echi ye tu kwan na ye hye ye yonko Ghana ni ete baasi mu a na ye de akan kasa na ebisansa we ye Ghana ni ana sa wutu kwan na wo hia Ghana ni obi te baasi ni patuntum na wa adwene ye ne sa we Ghana na alatani we Ghana ana Nigeria ni a the first question abebisansa minia o what to say we ye Ghana ni wo hu adentina other tribes no eya momfa mukrom kasa misese nipa no na mode akan kasa na bisa no ansa na we Ghana ni a wabisanse wo firi he na o kasa wo firi ukrom a wadane akọ ukrom kasa this is telling you say akan kasa no utu kwanya e represent Ghana take it or leave it because untimi nka nchem se wo hye obi obasim won bie na no nkasa ya wo de nkran kasa na bechia no ubedi kan bisanse menu ahote san waji su wi ansa na hu so wo nkran ni a waka nkran uhu se wo ukrom ni a waka ukrom kasa sanete baba 90% of enkrofo etu kwan no wo mo iso akan kasa ena de che omo to identify say omo firi Ghana nti Akwaaba no mesusu yemu de nka yenja ewo airport wo nanso ye nuanom nkranfo say eno na betima promote omo language na ma wo mo a yenye de omakoma ebeto wo mo say other regions etimi enya airport a eso ete say Kotoka wonom so mfa omukrum kasa ento so medase
Ubetu atwere wadwe amame. Ewo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media. Accra.